Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be getting into the part 2 to Vlogmas Day 1. And you guys know that we went to Michael's, we found some Christmas decor, and we actually ended up also ordering some stuff off of Amazon because, as you see in the video, they did not have any Christmas tree ornaments. So we did order some stuff. My tree is actually up back there, so you guys will see that whole decoration vlog probably before this one. But we did go ahead and grab some stuff, so it's finally time for me to show you guys what we got. A lot of the stuff that we got from Michael's is actually going to be for my backdrop, so a lot of the things that you guys did see us picking out were specifically for that purpose. And before we get into it, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed because we have a lot more content to come. You don't want to miss it, so hit that notification bell too, so that way you don't even gotta remember. So one of the things that we got is this Joy Noel Peace Believe Christmas little tree. I thought this would be super cute for the back of my backdrop. So if you guys have seen my videos, you guys know that I film in the office and I have like a nice little setup back there, but it has never really truly been, you know, like decorated. So since the holidays are rolling around, I did go ahead and grab this. I thought this would be a nice like height to the backdrop as far as like, you know, being visible. There were so many different options that I could have picked from, but I thought this was like nice and simple, very cute. And then obviously as the years progress, we could use this in other places around the house because it's not too like decor specific. Like, you know, if you do red bulbs or green bulbs or anything like that, like you kind of want the decor to match. I feel like this is very neutral enough to go with anything. It has silver and gold in it, which for me was super big because the color scheme that I decided to go for was kind of like a gold white kind of theme. So I thought this fit perfectly. So you guys know I have like a little flower piece behind me. I actually got that from Michael's as well. So I did go ahead and grab this beautiful flower bouquet to go inside of my vase for my backdrop. Again, the color scheme, gold and white, and then a little bit hints of silver. So the little ball thingies that this has are a little bit like silver and gold. So I thought this would be perfect. Again, especially if we go ahead and repurpose these decorations for other places around the house later, they're very neutral vibes. So I thought this was perfect. Now y'all seen us grab these little, I don't even know what you would call these, but I think these would be great to add to the top of my backdrop because I do have another shelf that's up there that is kind of like always just empty. Like there's always like one random thing on there. So I thought this would be cute to kind of like line that shelf so that way it kind of looked a little bit more festive and went with the vibes of everything else. I thought this would be super cute. You guys will see like the vision for this as I put the room together, but this could also be repurposed for other things around the house as well, which I thought would be super cool because these are so cute. Like you could use these for like New Year's or something like that. Like, I don't know, but these were super cute. Got these, and if I didn't mention in the video or already, everything by Ashland was 50% off, and almost all the decorations in Michael's were by Ashland, so everything was 50% off, and then there was another 30% off of everything. So this stuff was like really inexpensive. Next thing that I got is this little Christmas tree. So we have a console table upstairs. If you guys seen the house tour, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. But we have that console table up there, and it's not fully decorated, but I definitely wanted to make sure that it fit the vibes of the holiday season. So I got this little tree to put on there that I thought is super cute. This has been in the bag since we got it, and it's a little bit like smush, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and separate these. So I thought this was a very cute pickup. So the next thing that I got are these really cute 8 candle LED lights, and I thought these would be super cute to put again on the backdrop because it just is going to give it just a little bit more of an ambiance. The color of these are like perfect because they're like slightly gold looking. They might just be a neutral kind of color, but to me they kind of have a little bit of a gold in there, a little bit of silver running through them, and then like the candles have a little bit of white in them as well. So I thought this would be perfect. There actually is a nice little button where you could see kind of, you see that? It's gonna look like flickering lights in the background, but I thought this was super cute because I usually light a candle anyway. So to have these and not have to worry about like, you know, blowing the candle out or anything like that, I thought this was super cool, and it has a remote and a timer and all that good stuff. So this is going to go on the backdrop. I did want to get like some candle holders to like kind of elevate it a little bit more so that way you could see it, but hopefully the vibes all come together once we start putting it together. And I grabbed these little trio of Christmas trees. I don't really know where these are gonna go. They're probably actually gonna go back there on the bookshelf on top of like some books or something. But these are also gold, white, and silver, so they still fit in the vibe. Last but not least, I got this really cute calendar that counts down the days till Christmas. This right here, you would go ahead and take off the number. They all have another number on the back. So we could say instead of 25 days, we would say 24. I just pulled this out, so don't clock me, but I definitely need to go ahead and update this with the accurate amount of time until Christmas because we passed 24 days. We're getting closer. So that is it for this little haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the stuff that we got. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Make sure you guys go ahead and catch up on Vlogmas Day 1 and Day 2. My Vlogmas is a little bit unconventional this year, but I'm still giving you guys content. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Well, the best way to keep up is just to make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so that way every time a video goes up, you will be notified. But thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.